In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google account signed in on Chrome. We often find it a bit annoying when browsers log us out of our accounts, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through ensuring you stay logged in. First, let's start by opening your Google browser. Once you have Chrome open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner. Can you see those three dots stacked vertically? That's your menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is like a gateway to all the settings and options your Chrome browser has to offer. Now that you've accessed the menu, look for and click on the settings option. This section is where the magic happens. It's where we can customize how Chrome behaves. Once you're in settings, look for privacy and security. This is crucial since it dictates how your browser handles personal data. After selecting privacy and security, you'll need to find the option for third-party cookies. Cookies are small files that websites put on your device to remember you. You need to allow these cookies by clicking on Allow Third-Party Cookies. This step ensures that Chrome retains your login information. Once you've adjusted the cookie settings, you'll need to go back to privacy and security. This might seem repetitive, but it's important to ensure everything is set correctly. From here, let's move on to clear some browsing data. Find the Delete Browsing Data option and click on it. When deleting your browsing data, ensure you select the all-time range. This ensures that any lurking data that might cause Chrome to sign you out is removed. Once you have the range selected, look for the checkboxes on the screen. Make sure they're all ticked. These selections cover the breadth of your browsing data. With all set, click on Delete Data to remove everything. Clearing this data will help provide a clean slate, which can often resolve issues related to being signed out of accounts. Next up, let's focus on something routine but vital, ensuring your Chrome is up to date. Scroll down to About Chrome and click on it. This triggers Chrome to check for updates and automatically install them if needed. Keeping your browser updated is essential for security and functionality, so it's a great habit to get into. Finally, look for your account profile icon again in the top right corner, click on it and sign in one more time. This refreshes your login session and sets everything in motion as we've configured. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to keep your Google account signed in on Chrome. It's a small change that makes your browsing experience much smoother. Thanks for watching and happy surfing.